I believe that Xinjiang is one tool to blame and criticize China, because it's relatively easy to use this and to build a story around. Tell an example. The BBC showed a satellite picture, a satellite movies about buildings encircled with a wall. Because of the wall and because of guards at the gate of the walls, they consider this are camps. This is quite common in China, but not only in China, also in other countries, that you have certain living quarters encircled with a wall. The people who don't know this, that it's common in China, the living quarters are encircled with a wall. For one of the most important thinking for the Chinese government is stability, that the country can peacefully develop. Look, I saw how Xinjiang developed during this time. I traveled many times in the 90s through Xinjiang when I organized this railway transportation through the Alashankou border station. I got very close friends with the Urumqi Xinjiang Railway. We traveled together. So I saw how this the situation was in that time. The people were very poor. The education was very low. And for China, this Xinjiang has to be developed. And for this, China is doing, the government is doing a lot of efforts to raise the education, to raise the capability of the people to participate on this development.